I'm sure you've heard the news. Barn owls are nature's silent hunters. Let's dive into their mysterious lives. Barn owls are the epitome of grace and mystery. With heart-shaped faces and ghostly white feathers, they float silently through the night skies. Their incredible hearing allows them to detect the faintest rustle of a mouse in the grass, and those striking dark eyes, perfect for nighttime hunting. Did you know barn owls can eat up to 1,000 mice a year? Talk about nature's pest control. And when they're not hunting, they're caring parents. Both mum and dad take turns feeding their fluffy chicks, ensuring the next generation of owls thrive. But it's not all about being fierce hunters. Barn owls are also symbols of wisdom and mystery in many cultures. Truly, they are the guardians of the night. So next time you hear a soft hoot in the distance, remember the majestic barn owl and its secret, wondrous life. Subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories.